Do you feel like there's more for your life, but it's just out of reach? You see these other people going for it, and they seem to have the something that you don't have to get it. And I remember being there myself, and I thought it was okay for some people. They figured it out, but it wasn't okay for me. And I want to explain to you today why that is, because I figured it out in my own life. And I thought it's only fair that I teach you how you can make it possible for you as well. And this video came about because today I was observing two people and they both got given the same tool or the opportunity to have the same tool, which was a course, a training on how to make their life more financially grand. And I noticed that one person took the offer and made their life more financially grand, and the other person saw the offer and just stayed the same. They were working really hard. So one person managed to get the time freedom and the personal freedom, and the other person was stuck staying the same. And so this made me question why some people can create change and some people can't. And in this video, I'm going to show you three ways that you can create change in your life so that you can be the person who has the success. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Vicky Lord, and I help you to write your first book so that you can create your future. And yeah, a book is an awesome way to start designing your future your way. So when it comes to creating your life, one of the best books that I've ever read, actually, let's get it for you, was Joseph Murphy, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And he explains in here why some people make it and why some people don't. And so I'm going to answer the old question right now, and to the best that I can anyway. So we'll think of these two people with the same opportunity in front of them. One person takes it, one person does not. And the reason why this is because of the viewpoint on life. So one person believes that they have either the power of the Almighty within them and they can go and act on it, and the other person does not believe. So what happens is with belief is the person who is not acting, who does not have the courage or the confidence or the belief to go for it, is stuck in their system where the feeling is not there. And so what's happening is the situation is defining them instead of the centerpiece of I'm alive and living and I'm a creator. And so that's what's guiding them at the moment is that one is believing on the circumstances of life, like life has thrown me this hard ball, it's thrown me a job, and this situation is declaring who I am. And the other person doesn't have the situation saying where they're going. Instead, they see a vision for their life. And so if it doesn't matter which hand you're on, whether you're on the hand, then your situation has been given you the identity of who you are. So you're driven by your situation and your circumstances. Or if you're the person who has the vision for life and you believe that you have the confidence and courage for more. And so I want to take you through now some three steps that can help you to go and design your life your way. So if you're finding this useful, subscribe to this channel for more videos on how to write your book and how to empower your life. And so the first one is that um, this life force that is within us is going to respond to what we believe. It's not going to respond to the struggle. So the person who has the situation defining them, life's not going to go and take them out of that situation. Instead, what needs to happen is you need to start feeling the end result. And so, while ever your vision is on the stuck part of life, it's not going to be focused on the vision taking you further. And so, right now, I want to start to ask you what your vision is for your life. Do you even have a vision? And if you do, write it down and become really clear on what it is, where you want to go, and the person that you want to be. and let that start to ignite in you. And if you don't have a vision for your life, I want to challenge you right now to ask yourself, if I didn't have the stuck feeling and have the situation telling me who I am, who would I be? What would I do? Where would I go? And let that inspire you. And when you have that inspiration, then we need to attach the feeling to it because we're going to get what we feel in life. So this is all about changing our identity moving forward. And so we can create this amazing identity by choosing the vision that we're going to go forwards. And then we're also going to choose how we're going to show up in life because action will follow your belief. And what I mean by that is that the person who took the action on the course followed their belief. So they had the belief that they could do it, even though it probably was a huge challenge for them and they questioned themselves along the way. Deep down, they had the belief that they could do it. Otherwise, they wouldn't even go for it. So if your nervous system today needs the encouragement to have the belief that it can go for it. One of the things I learned before was to shake your body out and let it feel the new you. And especially since we're coming into 2026, we can start to design our life our way. And so that's what I want to encourage you today is to choose a vision for your life and feel that vision coming forward. And then the last thing I wanted to do is to help you to verbalize your future self. So, because we spend so much time in our mind and what our mind is always thinking, it goes in our body and we feel it and we speak it with our mouth. And so, if you're in a feeling of being stuck, it will probably come out of your mouth and show it that way. If it doesn't come out of your mouth, it's definitely in your mind. And so, when we speak it, we want to change the energy that's involved with it. And I learned this one not long ago, actually. I learned all about the energies of the body. And if we're going to speak, um, an affirmation in itself does nothing. So, like, that's affirming. So, it's like saying, I am a millionaire. That does nothing in itself if you don't have the energy behind it. So, when we're speaking about becoming somebody, so imagine becoming an author or a book writer for the first time, and then you speak, I am an author, and you feel it in your body. So, you shake your body up, you close your eyes, and you feel the belief in your body. And that way you can go and you can cross the bridge from the person who is stuck all the way over to the person with a new identity and somebody who can create your life your way. So I hope this video helped you a lot. If it did, and you're ready to design your life, one of the best ways that I've designed my life is by writing a book. And for a personal experience, it changed my world. And if you want to change your world as well, I've got a free 5-day book starter challenge that I will link below and you can get it straight to your email. And also, if you want to come and join a community where we've got writers and we're all working on creating our book together. I've got the Author's Quest, which is how to write your book in 90 days, and really excited for that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.